Ginger is a beautiful root. The best thing to do with this ginger is to make a tea. Best thing to do. So what you would do is you would get a pot. Me personally, I like to get the tea that you just plug in the wall and you just put some water in it and just warm up the pot for you. All right, now with ginger, same thing. If you do not damage the tissue, you won't get gingerol. If you do not damage the tissue and heat it, you won't get shogaols. 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 Gaols. Shogaols. Shogaols break down into something called zingerbane or zingerbane. Zingerbane is Zingerbene. Bene. Now let's talk about this ginger. This is your digestive tract. This is your digestive aiding system. And if you look at ginger, hold it up. Don't it look like a blood vessel with a bunch of arterial walls coming from it? You see that? And this is what this does. This brings circulation to the gut. You need to poop? Guess what you need? Ginger. You need to circulate your blood? Guess what you need? Ginger. Something's going on with your skin? What you need? And ginger have a beautiful capability of cleansing the liver. It is, I call it the liver broom sweep. Ginger. All right, so you take your knife. You don't skin the whole thing, just a little bit of it. Then you just break it up. Y'all see all the water coming from it? So what we gonna do first is everybody gonna eat a raw piece. Now remember, when it's raw and you chop it, we get gingerol. Gingerol do the same thing as shogaols, but shogaols is way more pungent, way more potent, way more powerful. So just taking it like this is not truly medicinal. It'll get things activated, but you want that medicinal, put some heat to it. Let's get it. Yeah. Yeah, that's why it's called, that's why I like to call it ginger bang. Ain't none of y'all, I don't see the faces. That means y'all ain't eating it. Yeah, you definitely eating it with the glasses on. Yeah. This called the eternal baptism. Who want to be saved? All right, so look, y'all. Ginger, key components. Inside the ginger is activated or active compounds. The first one is what? Gingerols. See that? The main active in the fresh ginger. Pungent, warming, anti-inflammatory, antioxidative. Then shogaols is a form when ginger is what? Dried or heated. See that? So we trying to get here. This is cool. This is what y'all just did. Yeah, y'all can get all this. But y'all remember, y'all getting this email to y'all too, but y'all can record it, whatever y'all need to do. Y'all just did that when y'all chewed it. We trying to get here. Shogaol. And shogaol is the medicinal side. This is where you start seeing the healing effect. This is what they do in India. Imagine saying I went to the hospital in America. Yeah, they told me I needed to get surgery. What do you want this? And then you in India. Yeah, I had all this. Oh yeah, they gave me some ginger, some water, and some clothes, and I feel better. That's right. Food that you have every single day in your household. Whether we talking about gingerol or shogaol, it's literally a digestive aid. Anything for digestive aiding for the digestive tract. Digestive juices, regulating hydrochloric acid that's in the stomach sac, regulate the peptide called pepsinogen and pepsinogen. Ginger is amazing for that. But remember, in order to activate any of these, you have to damage what? Plant tissues. All right, everybody got a piece of ginger, raise it up. Every table got a knife, correct? I want y'all to pick out a thumb of ginger off your ginger, just a thumb. Yep, it's supposed to be just like your thumb. See, look, this is a thumb of ginger. Y'all see that? Now with the nub, because we have to eat always, the best thing with ginger is to eat the ginger raw first and then activate it and eat the shogaol. So look, just peel the skin. Little piece. The thumb is for your tea. Just a little piece. Look, a piece this big, y'all. Nothing too crazy.
Were you saying
Ginger raw.
So this is the ginger raw.
This is ginger raw. The compound, once you chew it, ginger raw is released. But in order to turn ginger raw into shogaols, you have to heat it up. And shogaols is 10 times more powerful than ginger raw. Showing you that God did create certain things for us to heat up, or we'll call cooking. Cooking sounds a little bit more destructive, so I'm gonna just say heat up. All right, y'all got it? Let's eat. Ooh, that's some strong ginger right there. That's some compound too. Golly. Y'all eat on up now. All right, so now if I want to activate and turn the ginger raw into shogaol, what do I have to do? So in this case, we will make a tea. Our next class, I'm gonna make sure every table, because we're gonna be at the school in the next class, I'm gonna make sure every table got teapot and everything. So we're gonna use 12 ounces of distilled water. You're going to take a thumb of ginger. Once you get the thumb of ginger with the skin, make sure you clean it. You're going to chop that ginger into pieces. The thinner you shred the ginger, the more ginger raw will release into the water to be heated to turn it to shoga. The beautiful thing about lemon is most of the healing constituents and most of the healing modality properties inside the what, y'all? The skin. So we're gonna incorporate the skin inside the lemon. What I usually do when I make a tea, cut the lemon in half, I always use a whole lemon, and I will squeeze the juice out. I add the juice when I'm done, or I just take it straight down. Because I'm really only using the tea for the peel. All right, so when we look at the lemon, the beautiful thing about lemon have high vitamin C, or what you'll call ascorbate or ascorbate acid. Supports the immune cells and collagen production. If you have skin cell issues, especially with women that had a lot of children and their bellies haven't snapped back right, guess what you need to be drinking every day? Because it helps out collagen production. It directly communicates what you would call the parathyroid, and as long as you're doing some strip training, it will snatch your skin back together. So people with loose skin needs what? Lemon, particularly lemon peels. And what I like about lemon peels, we dry them out, we put them in a grinder and put them in capsules. And a lot of people are starting to do that with their fruits now too. Grinding them up, breaking through all of their cellulose, activating the healing compounds in it, putting it in capsules and then swallowing it, that way they can release later. All right, next thing is citric flavonoids. See that? Antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, support healthy blood vessels. Citric acid, give it sour taste, but look, helps mineral absorption and gentle detox process. So if you need to absorb something better, when you take it with what? And lemon is highly antioxidative. Remember I was talking about the reason why the Italians always put lemon on their actual salads? Think about you doing the same thing with your body. All right, essential oils in the peel, such as limonene, aromatic, may uplift mood, mild antimicrobial, and then the lemon brings vitamin C, vessel protection, and brightness to the blend. I just love me a lemon. All right, so now what I usually do is put it in here. I'll close it. I'm not gonna do this because I don't got a cup to put it in. I squeeze all of this in the cup and I'll take a shot of that, or I'll wait to add it to my tea at the end, because when you just add honey and lemon to it, it just, I don't know, it makes tea taste so good. And then I'll take the skin and I will cut the skin up. When you cut the skin up, you release all of the healing constituents. So you got your thumb of ginger. Now you got your whole lemon peel. You already got your 12 ounces of water. You're gonna add all of those to the 12 ounces. You're gonna boil it for 2 to 5 minutes. After I let it boil to 2 to 5 minutes, I turn it down to its lowest setting. And then I'm gonna let it steep and simmer for about 20 minutes. We started with 12 ounces of distilled water. This will leave you with 8 ounces. And guess what that is? Your tea. Drink it all down. Add honey if you want to, and it tastes very, very good, and it's good for the body.